Hey folks, welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get $100 off Shein promo code. So in order to do that, you first need to come to your web browser and here you need to search for Shein promo codes. After that, you will be able to see various websites open in front of you where you can find your Shein related promo codes, but you can go with coupons.com as I recommend this website the most. It is one of the best and the most reliable website for coupon codes out there. So you just have to come to coupons.com and here you will be able to see all of the coupon codes that are currently working for August 2024. So here you just have to simply scroll down a bit and try to search for the $100 off coupon code. Now here, as you can see that there are various types of coupon codes available. So you just have to select any of the coupon code in which you are interested. Let's say I want to avail this particular coupon code over here that is of, let's say, 45%. So you just have to click on see coupon code, and then as you can see that it is showing me 45% back to school essentials plus extra 20% off. So in order to avail it, you just have to copy this code from here and then click on go to store. After that, it will redirect you on Shein.com. So over here you just have to log in into your account or create your account on it if you don't have an account on Shein. Then it will show you the instructions that you need to follow. That is, in the back to school essentials, you just have to add the products in your cart to avail the 45% off plus extra 20% off. So you just have to create your cart value and then you just have to simply go to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you need to use the coupon code that we have just copied from coupons.com, and once the coupon code is applied successfully, you just have to simply conclude your payment. This way you will be able to get Shein coupon codes. If this video was helpful to you, then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you have any questions below. Thank you so much for watching.